So I always like to say the bandouliere, the bandou. But I know some people say bandouliere, bandouliere, bandou. What is it?
Bandouliere.
You think it's a bandouliere?
Bandouliere.
Bandouliere. Bandouliere, bandouliere. I like to say bandouliere. I like to be a little fancy. But anywho. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I have here something I have been eyeing and wanting for a while. And the birthday surprises just keep coming. My daughter bought it for me for my birthday. And I am so happy because she knew I was eyeing this bag. And I was trying to get one. They're kind of hard to find sometimes. So I was trying to find one, and she was trying to help me find, because I don't know how to look and all that stuff. So she was looking and, was going to make sure I got one. And she said, oh, well, I can't find one just yet, or whatever. And lo and behold, she got it for me. Anyway, it came today, and I said I had to share it with you all because I'm so excited about it, and just wanted to share the unboxing with you. So let's go ahead and open her. And as you can see, came boxed. And y'all. I did take a peek already just to make sure everything was everything. So, but I didn't completely undo everything. So, comes with this little dust bag. Let's take her out. And here she is. And here she is. I am just over the moon excited. Let's get her stretched out because I didn't stretch her out yet or anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who does not love the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Bandouliere? I fell in love with it when I saw it. For the longest, I wasn't too keen on the luxury bags and stuff. I've had one before. I've had a Louis Vuitton before. It's been years ago. My mother gifted me one years ago. And it was the one with the drawstring at the top, almost like a bucket bag with the drawstring. And y'all, for some reason, I love the bag. I love the look of the bag. But as far as getting into, to get my items and things like that, and I didn't care for that part of it. And the drawstring, it was just too much hassle getting inside, and I didn't want to leave it undrawn, so anybody could just get in it anytime. Anyway, it was not my favorite bag as far as functionality. So I don't know, I've had a Dunia Burke and some other things, but I just kind of, I don't have to have it, but I fell in love with the Louis Vuitton again. And this is the one that I got. I got the LV Luxe. I love it. I love it. And let me show you some things about the bag. This is the 30, the Speedy 30B Bandouliere. And some people say the bandouliere, the bandouliere, and different ways that people say it. I always say the bandouliere. So, got the receipt out too fast. This is the strap, and it comes in 3 pieces. You can wear the bag. Let me show you. You can wear the bag like this on your arm, in the crook of your arm, in the bend of your arm, or you can put the straps on. You can wear it as a crossbody. It's very versatile in the way that you wear it. The straps always hook here. Let me go ahead and kind of hook it on for you. I'll show you. Y'all, I'm so excited. I was so happy when I opened this today. She told me, she said, you got a surprise coming. I was like, oh my goodness, what is it? Because I really didn't think it was going to be, didn't think we could get a hold of one of these. But I am in love. But anyway, this is the way you wear it as a crossbody. And the difference between the original or the classic Speedy 30 and the bandouliere is that it has this leather stripe down the side. The bandouliere does. And they come in the 25, the 30, and the 35. I don't believe there's any other size. I'm not sure. If so, I'll try to write that right here. But I believe it's just the Speedy 25 or the Speedy 30 or 35. And as I understand, the 35 is a pretty decent size. I didn't want anything overly big. I just wanted something to fit my items. I don't want to overcrowd it either. So in addition to that, it comes with your papers, comes with your, your receipts and all that good stuff. And this is the pocket on the inside, which is zippered. Love that. And here is the lock. Show it to you. Here is the lock. And then also the keys. Some people say don't put the lock on, don't have it all the time, like dangling right here, because it could discolor the bag. So, kind of be aware of that. And this is the inside. I hope you can see that. It's like a brown. Let me get up and... But that's the inside, and it's so nice. Some people like to wear it kind of floppy, and it is still wrinkled because it's brand new, so that is normal. That is normal. It's going to have those wrinkles in there until it gets formed. You fill it out and, those wrinkles fall out. But I'm going to get an insert. I love the look of having an insert. I like a structured bag. I don't care for the floppy look at all. So I will not be flopping around with my bag. I want it structured. So I will be getting the insert. I will probably get the cream or ivory colored one. I don't think I want red or anything like that. I want like a nice ivory or like a really cream color. That way I can see all my items in there. And I like the bag when the color is like this and it hasn't patinaed yet, if I'm saying that correctly. When the color kind of gets subdued and it darkens up and everything, I like the brand new look, but I'm sure I'll love it after the patina happens or the color change happens. So we will see about that. It has the Louis Vuitton here on the little latch here, also on the little studding here, and it says, it says made in France here. And it's just a beautiful bag. I am absolutely in love with it. I do want to get it sprayed. I want to use the Apple Guard on it. You have to be careful with these, especially if you don't have it sprayed and have the Apple Guard on it, because it could get messed up from raindrops and just anything splashing or spilling on it. So you want to get it sprayed. Some people just spray the handles, the leather part, and some people spray the whole bag. So whichever is your fancy, you can do that. But y'all, I am just overjoyed. I will be doing a what's in my bag with this when I get my insert. I'll do a what's in my purse or what's in my bag and show you all what it looks like filled up and structured and with the shape of the bag. And it's just basically like a small duffel. It's perfect. I didn't want the 25. The 25 looked too small. The 35, as appeared when I looked at the internet, it was just too big. The 35 looked too big. The 30 looked perfect. I believe it will be perfect. It will fit what I need. If I'm going out and about during the day, like I said, this 3-part strap you can use as a crossbody. You can use it just hanging off of your shoulder, or you can use as a crossbody. It takes a lot of pressure off your arm. Or you can just, if you're just going here and there, not going to be out a long time, you can just use it in the bend of your arm. Any way you want to fashion it, any way you want to wear it, and there you go. There you go. So that is my unboxing, y'all. I am so happy about it. I'm so thankful to my daughter. Thank you, Jay. So yeah, I was just so surprised when it came in the mail. So yeah, I'm so thankful and so happy. It's so pretty. It has the little LV, you know, monogram, and this is the monogram bag, as many of you all know. It's the monogram bag, and they have, I think, 2 or 3 other kinds. I forget the names of them. I wasn't checking for them. I like the monogram, so I really, really love it. So that's all I have to say about it for now, until I get it sprayed, and until I start using it, until I get my insert in and everything. I don't know if I'm going to try to get the wallet and the little you know, makeup case or whatever. I'm not sure if that's, Louis Vuitton has specific names for their items, and I don't know all the specific names, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to try to get that. I don't have to be, even though I'm matchy-matchy, I don't have to be that matchy-matchy where I need to get the LV wallet and the makeup case and the this and the that. I will probably just use my own. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to look into it, but I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. But anyway, this will fit everything that I need. And I'm excited about this bag. Excited about this bag. All right, guys. So look around. If you are new, welcome. Welcome to Tracie's Place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I love you all. And look around. Take a look around on the channel if you're new. See some other videos you might want to see. I do vlogs, cooking channel, how-tos, just a lot of different things, and I think you'll love it here because we're blessed over here at Tracie's Place, and if you subscribe, you'll be blessed too. All right, I love you all, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.